Welcome to my training, and today we are going to look at the training the TikTok algorithm. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make it work on your favor so that your videos get pushed out to the right audience. So you're going to learn the following. Remember first to subscribe to my channel, and you'll find the link below if you want to learn how to make more money online working 2 hours a day. So what are we going to learn in this video today? I'm going to show you how the TikTok algorithm really works in simple terms, okay? You're going to learn how to use Create Search Insight to find the exact topics your audience is searching for, how to get more reach and engagement, and what to avoid so you don't hurt your growth. And then I'm going to speak on how to strategically use your digital marketing business to your advantage using this wonderful app, TikTok. So let's dive into it. Algorithm work for you. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Okay, understanding the TikTok algorithm. Your smart personal assistant for content. Okay. Remember, TikTok is an AI-generated app similar to ChatGPT. Whatever you tell TikTok is what TikTok's going to do for you. So it studies your behavior and it personalizes your FYP. Right, let's move on. What are the key track behaviors of TikTok? The TikTok algorithm continuously analyzes user interactions. So it looks at your likes, it looks at comments on the watch duration so that it can personalize your content, okay? So understanding these behaviors can help you effectively engage to your target audience. Okay, this is how the process works. It really does, guys. I have tried this many times, and I can tell you now, it really works. I am probably on my 10th TikTok account now, but I know now how to push out content. I know how to get new followers, and this really works. I've been doing this for over 2 years now, so let's get through it. Okay, this is how TikTok pushes out your content. The minute that you post your video, what does TikTok do? It goes to a test group. So the initial stage is TikTok tests your content first with a small group of users. Okay. Now, if they engage well in your video, it indicates your potential for a broader distribution. So as soon as people start engaging in your content and it's got high engagement, the algorithm expands your reach to a larger audience. So in other words, TikTok now sees that people are engaging and they know that this is a very interesting video. So what does TikTok do? It starts pushing it out to a larger audience, okay? And this stage increases your visibility based on the initial positive reactions from the users in the beginning. And then if that group of people engages quickly and fast and comments on your videos, it's going to literally can go onto the viral stage. So if it continues to engage viewers, it can reach the viral stage, gaining significant traction and widespread visibility across the platform. I am complete proof of how this happens. This has happened to many of my videos where I didn't even think that it was going to go viral, but because I was just myself, it literally started pushing out my videos. I've got a video at the moment that is still going viral after about 3 weeks now. TikTok pushes out this video every single day. Okay, so what are the of the algorithm? The watch time. Okay, the watch time, you need to keep them engaged. Okay. The tip with you, like I've discussed previously, make sure you have a hook on the screen. Make sure you have a good hook. So you need a hook on the screen. You need a visual hook. What is a visual hook? Let me show you an example. This literally is a visual hook. Just me sitting down. Remember, people are inquisitive. They want to know more. So even if you hold something in your hand, even if it's something like this, or you maybe are brushing your hair, or you maybe taking off your glasses and holding it in your hand, it makes people feel more comfortable. So doesn't come as you're not sitting there stiff and, trying to sell something to somebody. You literally just putting a hook there that is going to make people feel comfortable. And then you've got a verbal hook as well. We're going to get a bit more into that at a later stage about the hooks and how it can literally keep people on the screen so that the watch time increases and TikTok now knows that it's going to start pushing your content out to more people. Okay, let's get into replays. The more viewers that rewatch your contents, the better it performs over time. And there's another tip for you. Do at least one video a day that's only 7 seconds long. Okay, with a long caption. Why is that? It can literally be a video of you doing something. It could be a video of your dog. It could be a video of a bird flying or anything interesting happening. Now make it only 7 seconds long. Why? Because you're going to now put in the caption section really what you want to say to people. You'll put something on the screen saying to them, this is how you make money. Look in the caption below. And now what's going to happen? People are going to watch, the video is going to play all the time, and it's going to play over and over while they are watching your video and reading your caption section. So I would definitely recommend doing at least one of these videos every day, okay? It's going to definitely push out your content more. Okay, engage. Remember, the minute that people comment, they share or save your video, Kelly also sees that this video is very interesting and they're going to push it out even more. So what I always suggest, that's why it's so important to tell people what they need to do, okay? Don't worry about feeling you shouldn't be feeling not wanting to tell people what to do, okay? Literally say, you'll see in my videos, I do that. I haven't done it a lot lately, but I really do it a lot of times on my videos. I introduce myself. After I've said the hook, I will tell them that, hi, my name is Alana. I'm 53 years old. Remember to follow, like, and save this video. People will really do that for you. If they find that your content is interesting and you have hooked them, they are going to save your video. They are going to like it and they are going to follow you. And the minute that happens, TikTok now realizes that this is an interesting video and they're going to push it out even more. Okay. So engagement is a big, big factor of them pushing it out to more people. But you need to ask people to do that for you. Okay. Right. How comments, as I said, shows deeper engagement and they indicate to viewers are more motivated to share your thoughts. So ask them to even share your video as well. Shares amplify your reach and they encourage others to view your content and engage. And saving content reflects strong viewers' interest and suggests to TikTok that they want to revisit your video. So remember, TikTok wants to push out your videos. You just really need to show and tell TikTok that what they need to do because it's an AI operated app. Okay, again, consistency matters. Remember, the more consistent you are, the more TikTok is going to realize that you are definitely okay. So posting consistently helps maintain visibility and keeps the algorithm happy with your content. Make sure that you post every single day. Engagement frequency also. The higher engagement rates are achieved through frequent content, boosting the chances for wider reach. And the algorithm tends to favor accounts that post regularly, enhancing overall performance and visibility. It's true, guys. TikTok is going to push out your content more Even if you make sure that you kind of post on the exact times on the same day, same time every single day. Okay. So that's one big thing. Consistency matters. Right. Now leveraging TikTok, the TikTok Creators Insight. Now this tool on TikTok really works. So use it. What I've done is I've literally made little sticky notes and I've posted when I started to decide that I'm going to use the TikTok Creators Insight search tool every single time before I post. Just to remind myself, I did sticky notes and I put them all over my house to remind myself to do it. So when I do a video, I use the Creator Search Insight. It's a powerful tool for marketers to find trending topics and keywords. Why? TikTok Creators Insights is actually going to tell you what videos to do. It's going to tell you what there's not enough of that particular topic. So use it. It really is literally going to tell you what to talk about. Okay, and it's going to resonate with your audience in that way. Okay, keyword insights. Okay, TikTok Creator Search Insights shows trending keywords, allowing marketers to create relevant content. By accessing insights, you can tailor your strategy to boost engagement with your audience. I'm going to show you exactly how it works now. Now, the sound is a bit overwhelming of the TikTok, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it and I'm going to play it, and when whatever I've said, I'm going to repeat. Okay, so let's have a look at the video and how to use this amazing, amazing tool. The TikTok app, and you are going to press on the right hand side, the top, you're going to press on that search bar, and you are going to type in Creator Search Insight. Right, next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into the search bar again. You're going to click on Creator Search Insight. You're going to get this screen and you're going to click on the middle section here, which says Content Gap. Now that is where there's literally, you'll see if you here at the bottom, there is 68.9% written in red, and that means there is not enough videos about this specific topic. It says how beginners make money online. Okay, so now you know there's literally, even before you do your content, you can go into Creator Search Insight and see what there's not enough content about. And you can literally, here you've got a hook. You can do a video about how beginners make money online, and what you can do then is you can go and click on this little camera over there, record your video or upload your video, but you have to go there. All right. Back into Creator Search Insight, you go to how beginners make money online. You go and like at least 3 of those videos, watch the whole video through, put it in fast forward if you want to, copy the link, save the video, comment and like the video, and do at least 3 of those. Now TikTok knows this is your niche. They're going to start pushing out that video to the people that has been searching for on how beginners make money online. Use that as your hook. When you start your video, you say, this is how to make money online for beginners. You're going to put it on the screen as your hook as well. And you're going to keep on talking about it. Keep on mentioning how beginners can make money online. Remember that as soon as TikTok hears that, they're going to start pushing it out to the people that needs to get more information about this topic. Site tool. It works, okay? Take action. See a change in at least 3 weeks. So these are the tips I've got for you this week. Go and use that Creator Search Insight. Okay, start experimenting with TikTok's strategies. Okay. And thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And here are some key takeaways in today's presentation. Understand the TikTok algorithm as your personal content guide. Leverage the content, push a process to enhance visibility. Focus on the top 4 ranking factors for optimal reach. Utilize Creator Search Insight for relevant content ideas. Don't hesitate to implement these strategies in your digital marketing efforts. If you want to learn more on how to make money working 2 hours a day from your phone using only Wi Fi and getting your time back, the link is below in the description. Go and enter your email address so I can send you a free guide to understand exactly how we do that.